are you? Oh, in fact, seeing you, I'm lost for words, you know. I'm completely lost for words, honestly. Seeing you has made me lose a heartbeat. What's your name?
Diamond.
Diamond? Oh, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Your name is equally beautiful. Look at you, warm hair, big brown eyes, tender toes. You know what? You're very, very beautiful.
Wow, you're making me blush.
Yeah. You are like an angel never seen before. Huh? So, what do you do then?
I'm a student.
Student? I see. And is that all? Oh. In fact, I wish I could get closer to you, get to know you more, and probably get together with you. Anyway, if you want to know, my name is Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. And my friends call me Alhaji Jegede the Big Fish. I have money. I'm a businessman and I'm a statesman.
Wow.
Yes, so I can do anything and everything for you. Yeah. Diamond, the way I see you, the way you are, I wish I can marry you. I wish I can have you for a wife.
No, I'm just a student. And besides, my mother would never ever agree for you to marry me.
Your mother? Why? Is your mother a difficult person?
My mom is such a difficult woman.
I just told you I am Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. People call me the Big Fish. Me, when the coins are falling, the dollars are flying. Look, you know what? I want to see your mother. I want to see your mother today so that I can talk to her. You are so beautiful. I don't want to lose sight of you.
Oh, my mom is difficult. Stop it.
Please, let me meet your mother.
Why?
It's true.
No, my mom is such a difficult woman. Please understand.
I want to talk with her. I can handle it. Let's go and see her, please. Do this for me. Do it for Alhaji, okay? Oh.
there any problem?
You go inside. I'll talk to you later. Go inside. Diamond, get inside.
Okay, I'll be back, okay?
All right.
Be comfortable. I love you too.
I'm surprised at you. How can you do a thing like this? Knowing very well we are lovers.
Point of correction. Point of correction. We were lovers. We are no more lovers. Okay? Besides, I'm so much in love with your daughter. Pretty girl.
You are sick. You are sick. I guess you are not here to insult me. Are you? I mean, this girl is only a small child. This is an abomination. It's an abomination to sleep with mother and daughter.
Says who? Says who? Look at who is talking. Look at you. You were sleeping with my friend when we were lovers. Huh? And so, what is wrong with me sleeping with a mother and daughter? What is wrong with that? Tell me. Tell me.
I'll leave my house. I'll leave.
Anita, you're forgetting something. Huh? You're forgetting something? That I rented this apartment for you. I bought this TV. I bought it for you. This house, I rented it for you. Anyway, I'll give you only one condition. That you will allow me to have your daughter as my wife. And then I can reconsider my decision to support both of you. Okay? Think about it, my dear. Think.
Keep your filthy money. Just leave. Just leave.
Money does it all. Money does it all.
I'll let you leave.
All right. Tell your daughter I'll see her here. Tell her and think about what I just said.
He was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him. Okay? Sweetheart, but just forget about him for now, right? Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age. Right, so that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
If that's what you want me to do, forget about him.
Get inside. And what will you do?
Oh, baby. Oh, come on, Diamond. What is eating you up? Tell me, sweetheart.
Alaji, please. I can't accept your proposal.
Diamond. Me, Alaji. Why? Tell me why.
I need to concentrate on my education.
Oh, but Diamond, I promised to take care of you and your education. So, why are you worried? No problem.
Look, I'm not worried about my education. All I'm saying is that I have to concentrate. Besides, if anybody has to worry about my education, that must be my mother, not you.
Ah, that points to your mother. Your mother has been telling you things, hasn't she? This is your mother.
But she's my mother. She's my mother and I can't go against her will. I love her so much. Besides, you are an old man. You are too old for my liking. You are an allergy. You probably have 8, 10, 12 wives. Please, leave.
Diamond! How can you say things like this to me? You are allergy, me allergy.
Allergy, so what? Allergy, please leave my house.
Hey! Diamond, you know I love you. I will lie.
I said leave my house. Leave it.
Diamond, I love you now.
You love who?
I love who? You give me some few months, please. At least for the sake of my daughter.
I'm not taking that.
Please.
I said I'm not taking this from you no more. Listen, unless you pay all the rent, I'm not letting you back into this house. You understand?
You give me some time. I have nowhere to go.
There is a big holiday. Good day. There is no space for you to sleep. Look at this splendor. And you're telling me I had to let you in. You just leave me alone.
Please, you give me some few days. I'll raise something up. Oh, please, don't do this.
Madam.
Okay, my gadgets are in there.
Excuse me. You're not taking in it unless my 6 months rent is here. You take that.
Please.
Madam.
So, do you really mean? So
I see you.
Oh, is that how you are? So, what's so penny now? What's your class one? Sorry. What's one me? Jojo me say. Akwala we. Ememe na ka no kretia. Ka we me bo to so kura miensa. One ne be yepe. I see ne say. Ha? What's your office? Why? Yes, massa. No on him so be jini that. Say children be go bibia no. I share the yele ne ma. Share the omode yaye. Jojo me sa kola kitoni. Ha? We ni papa mu ni. What's your penny? On peduma. What compens na wie. Na funa chia sadia. What some aduane atra. We nyina yasem. Ha? Sisi ahe na ye ko. Ahe na sisi aye defa. Hey. Lord Jesus. Ya me say. If you go pass lances and no am tell you. Like that, and we can't go back to the village too. But the situation now depends on you alone, solely on you. Do you remember that Alaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
He has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Mother! Are you selling me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous. I'm disappointed.
Okay. Then be on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. We can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he is our only hope.
have to go back to school.
Come on, princess. That's not it. Eh? I have real love for you. And that's for real. I love you. Eh? Come on. I'll never let you go. I'm holding on tight to your love, okay? So don't cry.
I never wanted to be deflowered. Till I get married.
Look, Diamond, my princess. I want you to consider tonight your wedding night. Because I will still marry you. And that's a promise. I'm holding on tight to your love. Honestly. Baby, don't cry. Don't cry, okay?
I have to go now.
Oh. Why so soon?
I have to go back to school.
Anyway, I'll tell you something. Anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me. Because I'm there to do everything for you anytime. Okay? In the meantime, I'm going to give you 1 million cash. Okay? And then I'll write out a check for 40 million cedis. All for you. So you can use it for yourself.
Thanks a lot.
Princess.
Ready? Oh, Jesus. We are can say. Oh, you are not some for you. Wait, my some me. Where from this?
This is 40 million cedis. And that's an extra 1 million he gave to me.
Oh! I told you. Oh, God. See, I told you. I told you this man. He's good. Eh?
He said I shouldn't hesitate to ask for money or anything I need.
Oh, Rade. Yeah. Let me sit down for me now. I say. Ah. You know what? Don't worry. Let's go and look for this landlord. And then we know what to do. Tomorrow I'll cash this one for you, okay? Rade me that was say. Ah. Let's go. If you run no away. So you was seeing and no. Say, you were here. What's slangy? Quite some other bar. If you're a slangy crowd, you need to say about any few crowd. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. So.
Now we are dying. Na fatal,
What you are doing is evil and wickedness. Total evil and wickedness. How can you sleep with a mother and then turn round and sleep with a daughter too?
Look at you. Don't I have the right to love the one that I want? Don't I have the right? Initially, I loved you. You were the one that I loved, and I took you in. Sincerely, I wanted you to be with me alone, but you fought it. You fought it, and you betrayed my love by sleeping with my friend. What do you want me to do? Now that I found Diamond, and I found my new love in Diamond, you are saying what? I love your daughter.
I can see you've lost respect. You don't respect yourself. That's what I can see. Diamond is my biological daughter. And do you know what it means?
Oh, I know.
What you are doing?
I know.
Oh, you know what it means?
I know what it means. Okay. But you see, Anita, it's a little bit too late. Because you see, I've slept with her. I've done it.
What?
Oh yes, I've done it. Oh.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. I understand.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
But
thank you.
Olaji,
Yeah?
if you're looking for true love, you can find it in me. Olaji, I love you.
Oh, you sound so sweet, darling.
So forget about it.
Oh, you sound so sweet. And this is Anita of old. Anita of old. But you see, you are now old. You are an old woman. Old lady. Your daughter is young. She's fresh blood. And you see, she knows how to touch. She's got that touch. That touch. I said now you are too old. And when she touches you, you know. But right now, you have even, your body has bojo. You know, that bojo. So, tall.
Alaji, you've lost your senses. I can see you've lost your senses. Come on, get out of this house.
Oh.
Get out of my house. And don't let me see you with my daughter again.
Okay.
Right?
But I'll be with your daughter. And she's the one I love. And I'll always be with her. Because I love her and she'll be my wife. My wife. Inshallah, your daughter will be my wife.
Idiot.
We shall see. Don't get irritated. Because I'll always be with her.
Nonsense. You mean me and not me your 40 engine dada. Overhaul the ground we be any. Now maybe Shiaka. Can you now what time that we roll me no? No, we say me your 40. Now maybe Shiaka. What pempe mo apa? What's it?
Akwatamu no menti susuma ubumfu bay. Mi unyanka nasuna kachio. Uye bribia eyareniye oriasi. Ye ubekuwa enwa na ubecha eyareniye. Obinu ya kwadun ko chabo die.
Diamond. Yes, mommy. All that glitters is not gold. Diamond, you are a beautiful girl. A very pretty girl. And one day, I know you will meet a gentleman of age who asks your hand in marriage, whereby you two will live happily thereafter. Right?
I don't understand. Why are you saying all of this?
Because I want you to keep away from that man, Alaji. He's not good for a girl like you.
You know, sometimes you confuse me. 1 minute Alaji is a good man, another minute he's not good for me. Why must I forget about him when it was you who wanted me to love him in the first place?
Diamond, I don't want to answer your question, right? I am your mother, and I know what is good for you. Just take my advice and keep away from that man, Alaji. He's a good-for-nothing man. Okay? And let me warn you, if I see you with that man, Alaji, girl, it's going to be rough between the two of us. Keep away from him. I just want you to keep away from him. Period. That's all.
go forward, okay? Please don't stop here.
Why? Why my son go forward? I mean, this is your house. Why should I stop some blocks away?
I know. I'm only trying to save us from the embarrassment. You know my mother. You know how much she despises you. I hate it when she talks to you that way. That's why I want you to park there, okay? I'll just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right. I'll do what pleases you, my dear.
We are prepared. They are ready. Warriors. We are and one now better. They are ready. Obinri akwadun ko chabot ye. They are ready. Obrabone se obrabenti. They are ready. We see her now for family ye what? They are ready. We are one year anywhere ni munti. They are ready. We are papa suasa. They are ready. Abrabo we ya mama mimia. They are ready. She anya sa we asimu. They are ready. Oh we asimu. Why yes wa masa ye wo. Want it to be ye. Man shenya mi ni monyam. Sa wa twa to one. We are papa swasa. Why are Bonnie and Washia? I found now Otano or Tanarapa. Why yes, I one Masaya war. Wanted to be a man, Shanya me any more yam. Say what to one and one now, Benam Swa. We are Bonnie and Oshia. We are papa swasa. Why are Bonnie and Washia? I found now Otano or Tanarapa. Otom one moment is so my fube. Yurianka, Nasuna Kachio. We are prepared.
Hi. What kept you long today?
I went to see a friend at the hospital.
Okay. Yes. Have you heard or seen Alaji?
Not at all.
That's good. Stay away from him, okay? He's nothing but a community virus. Stay away from him.
I hear you, Mom.
Okay. Where are you going again?
I'm going to school. We have a school project and I have to be in school right now, so I'll see you.
Don't stay long, right?
I will.
And take care of yourself.
I will. Love you.
I love you too.
We are prepared.
once that I used to be a married man. But since my divorce, on the grounds of adultery, was on the part of my wife, I've lived as a single man ever since, you see. But I have one confession to make. And that is, you are the one who stole my lonely heart.
You know, you're such a kind man, and I just don't understand. Why does my mom hate you so much?
Yeah, that's the point, you see. I would have loved sleeping dogs to lie. But, Lamon, since you brought it up, I just have to tell you. Now I have to tell you the truth, now or never. You see? I think your mother loves me.
Alaji, how can you say such a thing like that? What makes you think my mom likes you while she knows you're dating me?
Exactly. That's the point. You see, you can't be too sure. Some mothers can betray and even destroy their own daughters. And your mother could be one. I'm telling you. Well, I hope if I should tell you this, you won't get angry. It wouldn't get to you. Your mother told me right in my face that she loves me and that I should stop going out with you because you're a student, you're a young girl, and that I should stop going out with you. The relationship should stop so that we can move together. And I can move in with her so that we can live as man and wife. But you know what? I put my foot down. I said never. I will never stop with you. Impossible. I refused, my dear. I refused totally.